Social activist Nilberth Ch Marak has lodged a formal complaint with the Chief Election Commission of India alleging misconduct by several authorities. The accused included Superintendent of Police Bruno Sangma from Resubelpara in North Garo Hills District, a customs officer from Gasuapara in South Garo Hills District, and the district administrations of West Garo Hills Tura and South Garo Hills Baghmara. The complaint pertains to the unlawful export of sugar to Bangladesh and the allowance of overloaded trucks on public roads, a violation of both the Supreme Court directives and the Model Code of Conduct. This action comes in the wake of a recent bridge collapse on the Baghmara road, part of the National Highway 62. The collapse was triggered by heavily overloaded sugar trucks attempting to cross the bridge, which is crucial for regional connectivity. Despite a mandated weight limit of 9 metric tons, the trucks were found to be carrying loads exceeding 20 metric tons, leading to the bridge's structural failure.